Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
live here at the NCF Covered Court. Our second game is gonna be more exciting. It's the Tinord team, the UNC Greyhounds, will head-to-head against the new team of the season, the ACLC Hawks. I'm Aljon at kasama ko muli si Kelly Francisco at your service.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. We are still live here at the NCF Covered Court for this second game. It's the battle between the UNC Greyhounds versus the ACLC Hawks. Magandang hapon po.
Pag-usapan natin, Kelly, ang naging performance ng dalawang team na to sa kanilang unang laban dito sa side ng UNC. They fought against the CBSUA. They lost one set. However, nanaig pa rin talagang experience nila sa court.
That's true, Aljon. Dito naman sa side ng ACLC, it's their first win versus the Pasakawa Academy White Tigers, and it's successful. Even though they are just new here, new team, new players, new set of players, but still, pinakita nila yung galing nila sa loob ng court.
Dalawang magagaling na team. But pag-usapan naman natin ang attacking department ng dalawang team na to. Sa UNC, we have Cesar Antonio who gained 16 points last game against the CBSUA. But of course, let's commend the exceptional performance of their libero, Kim po, dahil doon nakakuha ng magandang performance si Cesar.
That's true, Aljon. On the side of the ACLC Hawks naman, they have their ace player, it's Orlando, who became the best player of the game last game versus Pasakawa Academy, and you can see talaga na ginagalingan ng kanina nga when I talked to her na hindi lang porket baguhan sila dito sa Bucal Season 5, hindi lang porket senior high sila, alam nila na magagawa nila ang best nila at kaya nila makipagsabayan sa iba't ibang
And it's
team.
all about experience and skills in terms of volleyball. This gonna be their second game, and titingnan natin kung sino ba talaga ang mas magaling sa dalawang team na ito.
Yes, Aljon, kaya po sa lahat ng ating live viewers, manatili pong tumutok dito lang sa One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. So ayan po, aabangan po natin ngayong game, syempre, as we expect that gagalingan ng parehong kupunan. It's their first time encountering, di ba? Itong dalawang team na to, talagang maglalaban sila ngayon. Ipipakita nila yung kanilang mga training sa... Kanina nga when I talked to coach of UNC, Coach Mac, they trained for almost 5 months. And with that first set lost, kasama kalaban, ang si Biswa, sabi daw ni Coach Mac kanina na sinabihan niya lang yung players nila na alam niyang hindi yun yung laro nila. Kaya bumawi sa second set. And yun nga, it was successful na bawi from second set until fourth set at naipanalo ito ng UNC Greyhounds.
And let's talk about the Hawks naman. Lando is the best player, the POG, and also a shining armor dito sa Hawks. And let's tune in to our courtside reporter, Zai. Zai, kumusta siya?
Kaya, ngayon naman, Aljon, as we can see on their warm-up, talagang napakalakas ng palo na ipinapakita. Warm-up pa lang ito, ha. Dito naman sa side ng ACLC Hawks, kanina, they tried to, of course, on that huddle, talagang nag-uusap-usap sila kung ano bang gagawin nila. Pero ngayon, let's hear an update kung ano nga ba. Zai, ano ang update dyan?
Good afternoon, Aljon, Kelly, to our viewers here on Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. I am your courtside reporter from the side of the AMA Computer Learning Center, Shulamor Zai Meñano. I had the opportunity to interview one of their coaches, and he mentioned kung gaano nila kaalam na mas mahirap ang kalaban. Pero they will do everything in their power para wag magpatalo. They increase their level of practice when it comes to depensa, since they know how heavy their opponent will be in terms of offense. Are you all ready to witness them soar? If you are, stay tuned lamang here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Sai. This is not an easy game for Hawks, but they have to maximize their skills, their efforts, especially their offensive and defensive side, because knowing that the Greyhounds can actually create a very difficult set and also plays.
Through Aljon, kanina nga, when I talked to Salando, their ace player of the ACLC Hawks, gusto nilang ipakita sa game na to na hindi lang porket senior high school daw sila, hindi na nila ipapakita yung best nila. But now, let's hear an update naman on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Rain, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Aljan and Kelly. We are now at the second appearance of the UNC Greyhounds. I am Rain Reyes, once again your courtside reporter on the side of the University of Nueva Cáceres. Ayon nga sa kanilang head coach ay pinagigihan nila ang training on the reception because last time they were short on receives and blocks. But this time they are sure to improve on that field because lalo silang magiging efficient inside the hard court. Now, will the Greyhounds be able to achieve their goal of winning today's game? Yan ang dapat nating abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ray. So, pag-iigihan nila ang kanyang reception and we're confident na talaga namang bibigyan tayo ng magandang floor defense. The sweeping queen of the UNC Greyhounds, Jess Kimpo. Sabi nga ni Coach Pahe, a very underrated libero itong si Kimpo. So, tingnan natin kung mag-i-improve ang kanilang reception.
I agree with that, Aljon. On their last game nga, I can see that inside the court, she's very flawless. Yung galawan niya napaka-flawless and she's really underrated. I mean, she's a really good libero and alam ko, ipapakita niya yung best niya sa lahat ng games nila.
So now, both teams are preparing the first six of both teams.
Jersey number 17, Nico Rao. Team captain, jersey number 6, Victor Salado Jr. First lieutenant, jersey number 9, Leon Burke. And second lieutenant, jersey number 4, Tomar Bucal. Next is the red ball from Rowan Zoo.
Ayan nga, on the side of ACLC Hawks, they have these players, of course, their ace players, Salando. At ngayon naman, on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, introducing their first six.
Team captain, jersey number 3, John Stefan Antonio. And first libero is jersey number 17, John Benedict Kimpo. Greyhound, head coach is Mark Baha.
Well, the first six of the Greyhounds, mabigat. Nandito si Proa, Ampongan Antonio, and their shooting queen, Kimpo. Itong team na ito, Kelly, based on their coach, mas lamang pa rin talaga yung seniority dito. Kasi si Proa, Ampongan, Antonio, naglaro na last season at magandang ipinakita nila knowing na ngayon wala na si Castillo, their former team captain. So, titingnan natin, Kelly, kung sino ang mag-step up.
Yes, Aljon, it's really their advantage since they are all seniors here in Bucal volleyball season. At dito naman sa ACLC Hawks, they know that even though they are just senior high school students, they can fight well with other players. And sabi nga kanina ni Salando na ipapakita nila na hindi lang sila basta-basta at sila ay lalaban. And we're now starting in our first six on the service line. It's Bustamante. Poor reception there. Wow, good dig. Covered by Kimpo at the back. And puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
That was a bullet coming from Cesar, finding the corner there.
That's true, Aljon. At ngayon naman, serving jersey number 11 for the UNC Greyhounds. Good rally there. Bustamante. To the opposite. And down the line hit.
And finding that corner for UNC Greyhounds now.
Jersey number 11 for the UNC Greyhound. still on the service deck. Bustamante, a miscue there. Puntos for the UNC Greyhound.
3-0 run dito ang Greyhounds.
Now on the service deck, it's Rica Huerta. Jersey number 11 for the UNC. A poor reception, a rattle. Puntos po for the UNC Greyhounds. Let's see now. Another good serve. Service ace. A 5 consecutive points for the UNC Greyhound. An early timeout here for the ACLC Hawks.
Well, medyo malamig pa dito ang Hawks. A 5-0 run in a very steady. The composure talaga, Kelly, of UNC Greyhounds. Makikita mo talagang they're just enjoying it. You know, coming from a first runner-up last season, they are now much more confident. And sabi nga ni Coach Pahay kanina, si Cesar and Proa talaga yung aasahan niya dito. Kasi sila talaga yung nagko-contribute. And also, Kimpo, their libero queen.
Yes, Aljan, of course, I believe lahat naman ng players can contribute on their respective positions. And sa lahat po ng manonood, abangan lang po natin ang larong ito ngayong araw. Still on the service deck, another service aces. After that timeout, it's 6-0 run for the UNC Greyhounds.
That's true, Kelly. A steady server dito. 2 points. Kahit setter pumupuntos dito sa Greyhounds.
True, Aljan. It's a block for the UNC Greyhounds.
And that was ampongan. Ang ganda ng timing na doon, guarding the net.
Nakalusot yung bola na yon sa blockers. And the
Bleeding Kelly.
yes, Aljan.
1-7. Dito.
An easy ball to the opposite. A block! Wow, what a block coming from Salando.
A back-to-back points for the Greyhounds guarding Proa on that opposite attack.
Now on the service line, jersey number 2. But it's an out. A free point for the UNC Greyhound. Good serve. Now, Bustamante to Salandon. But it's a block. Block for Salando there.
That was a double block, Kelly. Ampongan, Anyeta.
Now serving jersey number 2, Proa. A service out. Error for Proa. Puntos for the ACLC Hawks.
9-3. Balik sa 6 ang kalabangan dito ng Greyhounds.
Ngayon naman, on the service line, Cano. A good serve. A miscue there, but a net violation.
That was a lucky point, Kelly. Sayang.
Napakaganda sanang momentum yon para may tawid ang bola. But then again, it's a violation for the ACLC Hawks. Now on the service line, it's jersey number 9, Ampongan. Now, a chance. Adjust. Bustamante. To Salando. Ginawa ng paraan. Another chance for the ACLC Hawks. Bustamante with 1-2 play. Sayang. Puntos for the UNC
A
Greyhounds.
miscalculated 1-2 play there coming from the Hawks. Maganda sana yung intention niya dito. But That was unfortunate, straight to the net.
Still on the service line. Another poor reception for the ACLC Hawks. Gagawa ng paraan. Chance. Another miscommunication there. Now rattling. Chance for Hawks. The opposite. Pantay sarado. Adjust. Good dig there. Ayun, Salando. Antonio
Breaks down the wall for Antonio, really winding up to get that point. And also, the reach of Antonio talaga namang iibabawan niya ang blockers.
Aljon with that height, of course. Bustamante to Salando. Challenging the blocker. Now to the opposite. Another good block. Salando with a chance. A miscalculated free ball there for Salando. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
It's now balik dito. Oh no, 10 points ang lamang dito ng Greyhounds.
Bustamante to Salando. Hulog to Antonio. Hindi umabot si Salando doon with that save. Actually basa sana yung play na yun coming from the UNC Greyhounds, pero hindi lang umabot si Salando, kaya puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. Easy ball on the back. It's a violation for the Hawks. It's 15-3 here.
At napako na nga dito sa tres ang Hawks. They have to do something.
Ampongan, kanina pa siya on the service line. Ngayon, ibibigay kay adjust, chance. With the back quick, puntos for the UNC Greyhounds. That back quick coming from Texon, sinabayan ni Antonio.
Well, kaya ano nga ba ang nakikita mong problema dito sa side ng Hawks? Kasi napako na sila dito sa 3.
Well, as what I observe right now, their reception is really not stable. Kaya naman hindi nakakaayos ng set. Walang masyadong play. But on that sequence, a good dig coming from Salando. Ngayon, ibibigay sa opposite. And it breaks down the wall.
That was Cañete using the hands of the blocker and swiping it out. Now, 7-10-3, another timeout for the Hawks, Kelly. The reception of the Hawks, medyo hindi maganda ang pinapakita nila ngayong set.
That's true, Aljon. It is very important that you have a stable receive or pass so that the setter can make a good play to convert a point. Pero ngayon, let's see if mapapatay ba ng timeout na to ang kanilang error when it comes to receive.
And also, kailangan ng katulong dito ni Salano kasi nga based the last sequence and also the previous start of the set, bantay sarado talaga Salando. Laging may blocker siya. So, kailangan niya ng katulong dito to convert a point.
And also, the players of the UNC Greyhounds, there are lots of tall players as well. That's why bantay sarado pa rin talaga ang ACLC dito. Another good serve. Poor reception once again. A chance. Ngayon, ibibigay kay Antonio with a just. A block coming from the ACLC Hawks.
And they stopped the bleeding here for 17. Medyo malayo na. We'll see if they can close the gap here.
A block from Malaga, and now he is serving. Antonio,
straight to the net. That was his former position, the middle attack.
still on the service line. Malaga. Another good serve. To the opposite. But it's inside.
And that was Cañete. Walang spin ang bola na yun, pero pasok.
Now, a substitution for the UNC Greyhounds. Ayun, chance once again. Kimpo with that hustle. Chance. Bustamante to Salando. But it's an outside hit.
Well, the intention
No
of Salando,
touch.
Kelly, doon, patamain na lang sa blockers, but miscalculation from that last sequence.
Rotation error for the ACLC Hawks.
25, 15 points deficit here.
Napakalaking kalamangan ang kailangang habulin dito ng ACLC. With that service error, a free point for the ACLC Hawks. Another poor reception. Antonio with that first line hit. It's Antonio with that spike. Across court. Now, serving Antonio. Let it go straight down to the net. It's an outside.
Well, 3 points away, closing this first set.
Ngayon, a substitution, lalabas ang team captain na si Antonio. And now, he will be serving. An easy ball, Bustamante. The open spiker, Puntos.
That was a good momentum booster, Kelly, as the UNC Greyhounds were claimed the set number 1.
Kapit lang ayon kay Kongson dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. At to the opposite, napakagandang palo galing sa UNC Greyhounds from jersey number 20. On the service line, jersey number 10, Texon. Taking his time. Good serve. Now. Wow. What a lucky point there. Nakita na walang tao, kaya ibinigay doon.
Well, in this tight situation talaga, you have to really boost your momentum kasi mahirap lang habulin to. Only 2 points away for the UNC Greyhounds. And ACLC, if they want to extend this match, they have to make a comeback for the second set.
That's true, Aljon. A good dig there coming from Salando. A pre-pass. Now, a solo block. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
That was a good volleyball IQ for Proa. They can actually send a bullet there, but using his mind and really using the blockers to get the point.
With that sequence, it's service out. A free point once again for the ACLC Hawks. Kanina nga nakikita ko si Salando. She's just dancing inside the court, trying to be relaxed. And that service ace coming from Kongson. It's 24-10. Set point for the Greyhounds. Almost a facial. Another service ace.
Well, that was a good back-to-back points. What I've said a while ago, a good momentum booster.
Still on the service line, Kongson. Now, a rattle adjust. Poor dig there. Salando. And that ends our first set with that sequence. At magbabalik po tayo here on One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.